Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see SAP MM implementation, how MM is getting implemented in SAP. Okay. So we are going to see blueprinting. The first thing is we are going to see blueprinting. Blueprinting. We are going to see blueprinting and how is SAP MM is getting implemented. They are implementing SAP MM in SAP. These two we are going to see. So what are all the objects we have to implement in SAP MM? So the objects are SAP landscape, system landscape. They say system landscape. They say system landscape. The first one, system landscape. We are going to see organizational structure. So this is a live project which I have implemented, and I'm going to show you what are all the organizational structure which has been implemented in MM, material management. And we are going to see vendor master data. We are going to see material master data. We are going to see module setting, MM module setting. Module setting. We are going to see stock updates. And we are going to see pricing procedure for procurement of material. And procure to pay cycle. Procure to pay cycle process. Business process. It's a business process. Procure to pay business process. Material requirement planning. Then we are going to see material requirement planning, MRP. They call it MRP. And finally, stock transfer. Transferring of stock between the plants, between the storage locations. Okay, all this thing we have implemented already, and we are going to see that how it is implemented in SAP, where it is implemented. We have implemented in a automobile company. It's a prominent company. Let's not go deeper into that name, but still, let's take it as a ABC Motors. Okay. Now, system landscape. First, system landscape. System landscape. So, what is system landscape? SAP system landscape. This will be done purely by basis team. Basis team. Okay, basis team. So, first is sandbox client. Sandbox client. This is sandbox client. Okay, we call it as an IDES client also. Wherein it is like a rough note wherein we can do anything, we can scribble around. So IDES stands for Internet Demonstration and Evaluation System. Internet Demonstration and Evaluation System. Okay, we can screw around. Okay, the business process, what are all the business processes they are using, and we can check it here in IDES client. Okay, the same business processes, for example, business process nothing but procure to pay cycle. It's a business process. Purchase requisition, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice is a business process. Okay, these are all the business processes. Subcontracting is a business process. Vendor consignment is a business process. All these business processes will be configured in sandbox. This sandbox. Same configurations will be replicating it in golden box. We call it as a golden box. Golden box. Okay. After configuring it in golden box, we just transport the transport request to test client. We just send the mail to the basis team to transport the transport request to the test client. Test client. Testers are the one who give sign off. Once when they give sign off, the transport request will be forwarded to production client. Production. In the production client goes to the line. This is what the system landscape. Okay. This is what the system is. This whole purely this configurations, that is configurations alone will be done by functional consultant. But whereas creation of this sandbox 310 and 320, this 320 or 210, creation of these clients, these are all clients, 800, these are all clients will be done by basis. They are the one who creates all this clients. Basis, SAP basis. It's a technical team. Okay, this is SAP system landscape. Now, next, organizational structure. Organizational structure. This will be done purely by MM and SD. In many companies, there will be only one consultant, SD and MM. Both one consultant will be there. Okay, there won't be any two consultant or three consultant. One consultant for SD. Okay, wherein FICO, for FICO, they create in FICO consultant will be creating company and company code. Company and company. Company is 6-letter alphanumeric. 6-letter alphanumeric. Whereas company code is 4-letter alphanumeric. Okay. FICO will be creating credit control area. Okay. Now, plant will be created by MM, material management. Okay. And sales organization will be created by sales and distribution consultant. Okay. How to create the enterprise structure? It's been given in the description. Just check the description. Even the previous, in the previous system landscape, I am giving a description. In the description, you can check the link. Okay. System landscape. Okay. Already I have posted a video on this. You just check this. Check the description. Okay. This organizational structure for SD and MM is totally new. Okay. For SD, you have to create sales organization, distribution channel, and division. You have to create. Okay. For MM, you have to create purchasing organization, and plant. A plant can have more than one storage location. Okay. A plant can have more than one storage. Same, a company can have more than one company code. Okay. A description has been provided in the link has been provided in the description. Check that. How to create the organizational structure in material management and sales. Now, after creation, all the organizational structure, let's see the definition of the company. Okay. Once we create all the organizational structure, only then we'll be able to create, we will be able to go to the business processes like procure to pay cycle, or in sales and distribution, order to cash cycle. Okay. All those can be created only upon creation of the organizational structure in the SAP SPR system. SPR. Okay. Now, I'll just show you where it is in SAP. Okay, let's go to SAP system. Let's go to SAP system. This is my SAP system. Okay. SPR, SAP project reference present. SAP reference IMG. Okay. Enterprise structure. Definition. Financial accounting. See, define company. Define company. Okay, we create a company here. Edit, copy, delete, check company. We create a company code here. Okay. Edit company code data. Here you go for new entry and you create a new company code. Okay. Now press escape to come out. Minimize this. Okay. Logistics general. Here we create a plant and division. Define plant and division. We create division. This is where we create a organizational structure here, or enterprise structure. Okay, it's an organizational units. All this we have to create for the business processes in MM. Okay, got it. Now let's go to the slides. Okay, let's go for the definition of the company. So, what is a company? What is a company? Here. What is a company? Define company. See here, define company. Define company. What is a company? Company is nothing but a group of companies. Okay, for example, Tata Group is a company. Okay, now below Tata Group, Tata Motors, Tata Steels, Tata Consultancy, Tata Metallics, all these are company codes. This is the best example. All these are company codes. Okay. All these are company codes. Let's go to the slide. Okay. Example, Tata, define company. Okay. Company codes are Tata Motors, Tata Steel, already I told. It's a single legal entity where profit loss account, balance sheet are maintained. So we have to create company and company code. Company and company code will be created by FICO consultant. FICO consultant will be creating company and company code. Okay. Now, next, credit control area. This will be created by either FICO consultant, finance and controlling consultant, or SD consultant. A credit control area can be assigned to more than one company code. Okay. It is also one of the organizational units wherein we are setting the limits for the customer. We are setting limits for the customer. For example, if there is a customer, he is a fraudulent customer. Okay. He should not go to, for example, a customer is there. He is buying, he is a fraudulent customer. He has bought material for 1,000 rupees. And he should not go to the next company and buy for another 1,000 rupees. Okay. If the limit has been set for 1,000 rupees, he will not be able to buy from any of the two companies more than 1,000. That is what it is. Got it? So this is what credit control is. This is also one of the organizational units. It is mainly used for credit management. There is a concept called credit management. There is a business process called credit management, sales and distribution, which is closely integrated with FICO. And moreover, a link has been provided in the description. Check the link for credit management. Okay. Clearly, I have given all the descriptions I have given. All the configurations also I have given. Okay, just check it. Now, this is also organizational units wherein we have to create credit management, credit control. Next, plant. We have to create a plant. Where would we create the plant? In logistics general, defined plant. Defined plant. Okay, defined plant. See here? Defined. Next, it's a manufacturing place. Okay, plant is nothing but Ford plant, Hyundai plant, Kia Motors plant. It's a manufacturing where we create a plant. Okay. It is also one of the organizational units where material is being manufactured. Okay. Next, storage location. It's a physical location where the material is getting stored. Will be stored. Raw material, they create a raw material. For raw material, they create a separate storage location. For finished goods, they create a separate storage location. Semi-finished, they create a separate storage location. Storage location will be inside the plant. Okay, let's go to the SAP system. Minimize this, and go to material management. Here, maintain storage location. Already I told you, storage location will be inside plant. Let me create a storage location. New entry, we create a storage location. PF04 storage location. For finished goods. Finished goods. This is the organizational. Control as save. Continue. Okay, next. So this we have to create. We have created it the real time. Okay, all these are all real time scenarios I'm telling you. Okay, purchase organization where purchasing activity will be happening. Okay, quotation requisition will be happening through purchase organization. Purchase order will be created based on the purchase order will be created based on the purchase organization. Okay, purchase requisition also will be happening based on the purchase organization. Okay, these are all here. Let's go to the SAP system and I'll just show you where the purchase organization we have created. See here, next, material management, purchase organization. Okay, new entry. This also we have created. Next, sales area. What is sales area? Sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, sales organization is an organization through which sales activity will be happening. That is sales organization. It is into SD, sales and distribution. Where it will be created in sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. Okay, go to sales and distribution. See here, define, copy, delete, check, sales organization. Here we created sales organization for the company. Okay. Now, distribution channel. See here, distribution channel. Distribution channel. Now we are going to create a distribution channel. Channel through which, what do you mean by distribution channel? Channel through which goods reaches the customer. That is distribution channel. Okay. So for example, if you are selling a pen, if you are selling a jeans, what are the distribution channel? Internet sales. You can sell it through online. You can sell it direct sales. You can do tele sales. These are all distribution channel. Channel through which it reaches the customer. Double A and new entry. New entry. Okay. Now, again, division. Division. Product line of the company. If it is an automobile company, car division, bike division. So all the three put together is sales area. All the three together is sales area. Okay. Now, next, we have created. I have shown you where to create it. Okay. Come back. Come to the next. Vendor master data. Configuration on the vendor master data. So the vendor master data, we need to set the number ranges for it. We have set a number ranges for it. For that automobile company, we have set a number range. And the vendor master configuration, how to create the vendor master configuration, I have given in the description. The configurations I have given in the description. Just check the description. Okay. Next, material master. Configuration of material master. Okay. We have to create, let's go to the system. We have to create /MM0. Here we create the material. We have to create the material type here. Okay, material type will be created in OMS2. 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 Okay, here we go for creation of the material. If it is finished goods, go for FIT. FIT stands for finished goods. We do copy S. Copy S. Okay. And then for raw material, ROH. Copy S. Same. ROH, copy S. ROH, copy S. Select, copy S. We do copy S. So the number ranges will be will be done in OM and transaction. MMN. 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 Number ranges for the material. Number ranges for material. Number ranges for material. Here we do number ranges. See, number ranges. We create number ranges. We do number ranges. Here. We do number ranges. MMN. So we have done that also. The real time. Now let's go to the MMNR OMS2 for material type. Okay. Next. MM module setting. Okay. Define plant parameters. Define plant parameters. Plant parameters will be in SPRO. We have to create the plant parameters. Only then we'll be able to do goods receipting or goods issue can be done based on the plant parameters. We have to do plant parameters in material management, go to material management, inventory management and physical inventory. Plant parameters. See, plant parameters. We can copy S. Select, copy S. We can do copy S. Okay. See, movement allowed. Allowed. If you are not selecting this, movement will not be allowed. Okay. All this. These are all the parameters. Okay. Plant parameters, customer consignment, everything you can do. Okay. Next. Next, we'll see valuation and account assignment. Valuation and account assignment. I'll show you where it is in SAP. All this we have to do. All this we have to do the implementation processes. The implementation process, all this we have to see valuation and account assignment. Mostly we'll use the standard one, standard account assignment. Go to account assignment. Okay. See here, define valuation pattern. Activate. Okay. Active. Once when you do activating this, go to define valuation class. Here, all the three steps you have to do. Account category reference. Okay. 000 for the raw material. Okay. Normally we take the standard itself. We use standard itself. Okay. Valuation class will do it. Okay. Valuation class is plant. Valuation class is not plant. It is 3000. 3000. We can create it. If you want to create it, you can create it for the Account reference, 000. Raw material, 000. Now, material type and account as category reference. Material type is the one we have created in OMS2. Okay, we have to assign with account reference, account category reference. This are all we have to do. Normally, we take this standard. We don't do anything here. We don't change anything here. We haven't changed anything for the ABC motors. We have just like that. We have the same standard here. Okay. Now, come back. All this we have to do. Next, split valuation. Split valuation. Split valuation is a concept. So this is concept I have given in the description. Just check the description. Okay. Open posting period for material. Open posting period for material. Open posting period is, let me open another screen. MMRV. My company code is GB10. See here, this is 6th June. So every month we have to change the date. So if the system is fresh system, we have to change the date. It will be some 2022. We have to change one every month. We have to change it. That is open. That is open posting period for material. Only then you will be able to do goods receipt or goods issue. MMRV you can do. You can check it. And MMPV you can change it. MMPV dates can be changed in MMPV. Okay, GB10 is my company code. From company to company GB10. Okay, period this month. Already it is 06 only. Let me show you. If you are giving the next month, all the posting will be happening the next month. Okay, so be careful with this. So all this posting period we have done. Next, define document number range for material and physical inventory. Transaction code OMBT. OMBT. Okay, this is for the material document. Whenever you do GR, goods receipt, a document number will be generated. That generation of the document number will be based on this setting, OMBT setting. This also we have to do it. Okay, see here, intervals. This here, will be the intervals here. Okay, this also we have to do. We have to speak with the business. We have to speak with the client. What is the number ranges you need? So based on their number range, we have to configure it here. After giving it, we have to go to change document. No, not change document. Come back. See here, overview. Here we have to change. IB in the sense physical inventory document. We give the number range. The number range would be this from this to this. The physical number, physical inventory number. W is goods receipt for purchase order. We have to give this. We have to give this. What number range we have to set it. Okay, now let's go to the next topic. Stock update. Stock update. So whenever there is a goods issue, that is sales order, delivery, and billing is happening in the sales order side, we have to update the stock. Okay, that updation is also included. So previously there will be materials in the will be there. All those physical material we have to update it here. Okay, in the SAP system. Okay, that is stock update. Stock update. Stock update. Okay, display of material MM. Overview MMB. MMB. You'll be able to see it. MB51 material document list. These are all standard itself. We'll use standard itself. Let's see MB51. MB51 / MB51. Okay. Plant PF0 execute based on the plant. How many ever material is there? We can see it here. For example, LD 03. It's my plant. We have done this. We have uploaded all the stocks here. See here, LD0. See how many it's been uploaded. We have uploaded all this. We have updated all this. Okay. Now, next pricing schema determination. It's a very big question. Okay. Pricing schema determination. I have posted it in the description. Check it. Okay. We have to create a condition table. Let me explain you. Let me explain you. Create condition table. Okay. Create access sequence. Create condition type. This is very, very important topic in EMA, and we have to do all this. Create calculation schema. A description, in the description, check the link. A link has been provided in the description, check it. Pricing schema determination. All this we have done in the ABC for the ABC models. For the ABC models. Check the description. This also we have configured in the ABC models. Next, P2P business process. Okay, we have created a material, we have created a vendor. Okay, based on the vendor, we created a purchase requisition. Based on the purchase requisition, this RFQ is nothing but request for quotation. Okay, we are just requesting quotation with the vendor. Okay. Once the vendor sends the quotation, we maintain the quotation here. Okay, based on the quotations which has been sent by the many with the vendors, we can do pricing comparison. Upon comparing the price, we do purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification, and finally, accounts payable. It's an integration with the FS. Accounts payable. Now, material requirement plan, consumption-based plan. We call it consumption-based. A link has been provided in the description. Check the link for the implementation of SAP MM. If you want to know fully about SAP MM implementation, you have to check this very, very important topic, material requirement. Okay, we have implemented that also. STO, stock transfer order. That is also a link has been provided in the description. Check the description. Stock transfer. It's a transfer of material from one plant to another. That is stock transfer. One storage location to another storage. That is stock transfer. Okay. Check that. So all this we have done in the for the material management. We have done the implementation. Thank you.